12th of October 2022. This is something that we had forgotten to do. Beautiful chime here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or then we can change direction.
Yeah.
Best is 6 versus 80 grams. It's in Vuorikatu 35, so it's A here. Lahti is Finland. Maybe I was just taking speed, but it's different. I don't remember. I had to check it.
Yeah.
It was built in 1992, turning 30 years old this year, 2022. And faster, with beautiful body interior here.
Yeah.
Probably early 1992. It was emberization 73023, and the rear panel here.
Yeah.
We'll be inspecting it 2024. Amazing find. Luckily it's still original.
Yeah.
I'd like to see if it says anything on the door. Yes, 1992 here.
Yeah.
There's a toilet there also.
Yeah.
Original toilet probably. This has 2 rides.
Iskuttiin poikki vai iskuttiin maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I really love the sounds and the smell.
Same.
I like the vibrations too.
Same.
And also the fact that it 3 levels and
Yeah.
we can listen to the chime again.
That's